Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. Happy Friday. We are rounding out and ending this week with 3 non-phone data entry jobs that are hiring right now to work from home. All 3 of these companies have been featured on my channel before, but they all have current open positions, and I know we are all looking for non-phone work, so I thought we would round out the week with 3 of these if this is what you are after. So I'll be real quick with this one. First up, we have the company FirstSource, and they are hiring for data entry. They are specifically hiring someone to assist with individual applications, enrollment forms, and group members, changing benefit coverage, basic to classic, and different elements of beneficiary enrollments. They are looking for someone who has a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree is required. Someone who has 1 year experience in health insurance plans is helpful, but again, not required. They do ask that you have basic computer skills, including Microsoft Word, Excel, and Outlook, and great communication skills, both verbal and written, and be able to multitask. Now, unfortunately, they did not share the salary for this position. You will have to ask them at the time of the interview. ModSquad is another company that I have shared before on my channel. They contract and outsource for bigger companies, and they are looking for someone to work with a startup company, and it says they partner with top tier brands across the globe. Their specialty is providing content moderation for these brands. So they are specifically hiring someone. This is part-time, 10 hours a week, and it is a short-term contract, 60 days as needed. They're looking for moderators to assist and guide customers to the right answers, solve concerns, and are there for the GPS of customers to understand and optimize the best use of the products or services. And so all the moderation is done online. The custom-built moderation dashboard allows you to review videos, text, and images, and it does say the hourly rate will be discussed in the interview. As far as what they're looking for, someone who has knowledge of cannabis, the industry, or the community, experience using weed maps, and experience moderating user-generated content. You do have to have your own computer or laptop or desktop is fine with Windows 10 or above. And last but not least, it would not be me if I didn't throw a healthcare position in here. That is what I love, and that is my personal specialty. Change Healthcare is hiring a senior data entry operator. I'm pretty sure I've shared a position like this before. They quite often hire, all of their positions are now work from home, and they quite often hire for data entry. So they are looking for someone responsible for data entry, maintenance of material from source documents to a computer-connected terminal, someone to operate the alphabetical and numerical key punch machine. You might have to verify data and perform clerical tasks in the data processing functions, examine, revise, approve, and dispatch input and output. So they are looking for someone who has 1 year experience of data processing and a high school diploma. They say it would be nice if you have experience working with Microsoft Office, Outlook, Word, Excel, and have great critical thinking skills. Now, because this is a healthcare company, they probably do require the COVID vaccine. All the requirements are listed on this page, and unfortunately, they do not list the salary either. That would have to be discussed at the time of the interview. Any comments down below are always welcome. Please let me know any specific jobs that you are looking for, any experience and education that you have, because I always read the comments and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.